I'm just going to demonstrate some of the key features of the e-booking capability on IAGcargo.com. So first I'll come up and click on New Booking. This will take us to the e-booking page where I'll enter my airway bill number and just click away while it goes and checks that the airway bill's mine, not being used by anybody else, and you can see that that's locked. I'm just going to select some Perform Loose. I'm going to make a booking for 3 pieces, general cargo commodity, going from Heathrow to JFK. I've got the option to add in tracking devices if I was using any, but I'm not. I can also add in any special handling codes and remarks. In this case, I'm going to say that the shipment needs to be kept upright. And then moving down, I'll enter in the information about my 3 pieces. So the first piece, 10 by 20 by 30, relatively small. And then I'll just click Add More, and I'm going to add 2 more pieces, 30 by 40 by 50. And there we go. I can extend this bit and just add in any dangerous goods pieces, but in this case, there's no dangerous goods going with this shipment. So just click here to select my routing and the date. Let's pick the 30th, 28th. Go from Heathrow to JFK. And search for flights. And then this will search inside our core booking system, bring back any relevant rates for me. As you can see, several different options brought back. I could look for different dates if I so choose. I've got the option to change the sort, so it could be by earliest arrival or shortest journey. I can sort by aircraft type if I particularly want. And you can see that in some cases, only Perform is available, other cases only Express is available, prioritize. But I'm going to choose this direct route where Perform is available. Click Continue. And here I'm going to add in contact details so that if anything happens with this shipment and the operational teams need to get in touch with me to speak about it, they can do. Just add that in. And a phone number as well. In some cases, you can add in the shipper and consignee details, but in this case, not required because it's just some Perform Loose. I'll click Submit. And here I'll see a summary of the booking. So total price, hit Submit Booking. And this will confirm the booking in a few seconds for me. And there we have it, booking confirmed. So it's going on the 29th, Heathrow JFK. You can see the total cost, and then return to the dashboard, and then I can see that booking's there in place. Now, if I want to make more of this type of booking and set it up as a template, I can do that quite easily. So I can save as a template, give it a name. Click Save. And then if I click onto My Templates, we'll see here's the template, and I can see a summary of the booking, so I know which template that's for, and I can see more details about it if I expand this little pop-up area. Then click on Create Multiple Bookings. And this is a way of creating repeat bookings that will book automatically. So I'll just select every Monday for a few weeks. Do that for 3 weeks worth. And then click Next. And here you can see I've got the 3 bookings, the different dates associated with them. It's all the same flight, all same origin, all same destination, exactly the same booking in every case. There's a couple of ways I can put in the airway bill number. If there's lots and lots, I can just copy and paste it from an Excel sheet into here, or I could type them in individually. In this case, I'll just copy them from an Excel and click on the Submit Bookings. This doesn't create the bookings. What this does is it stores the bookings inside IAGcargo.com, ready to be submitted automatically once the bookings come into the live window. So if we go back to the dashboard, we'll see that those 3 bookings have been scheduled to be made for me at a later date. Right, showing another kind of booking here. Let's create some constant fresh for some perishable goods. So again, add in my waybill number, get that locked, and select constant fresh. And we'll do a unitized booking instead of a loose, so strawberries. And if I expand the handling codes, you can see that the perishable and fruit and veg special handling codes have been automatically added for me. Select that it's unitized and 1 AKU, do it. I'll make it quite dense, 1500 kilos. And then select the routing, we'll send it to Chicago. So the 29th again, Heathrow to Chicago. Search flights. And once again, this is confirming the right rate for my forwarder account. And then here we go, got a couple of options. and I'll select the first one, the 1295. Hit continue. Add in contact details for the shipment again. Same details as before. And this is purely used for operational purposes. There we go. Click to see the summary of the booking. Just check that that's all correct. So we can see fresh, AKE, there's the routing, that all looks good. So hit submit. And then again, this will complete the booking in a few seconds. And there we go, booking approved. You can see exactly the same details and return to the dashboard. And the booking's there visible for me at the bottom. And if I just want to do a track shipment to see how the booking looks, I just fill in the waybill number, hit track shipment. This is also available on the public part of IAGcargo.com, so on the front page. And again, not many statuses on this booking. It's just I've just booked it just now. Same information, and click back to the dashboard. But in this case, I'll cancel the booking. I don't want to hold that space for on that flight, so I'll just click on cancel booking, expand the thing, click cancel, cancel again, just to confirm that I really do want to cancel it. And there it goes. You can see that it's been removed. And there we have it, a couple of simple examples of how to make bookings on IAGcargo.com and track your shipments.